Welcome to BuildCenter. Today we'll be learning about the schedule board and how to schedule your crew on a project. First, we will log in. Once we're logged in, we want to make sure we're on the schedule board section. From here, you could look at previous schedules by clicking on this, and you could see future schedules. Click on this. You could see it by employees, or you could see it in a by project view. Let's go to by employee first. On the left, you can see all the projects, and then you can see all the crew members and their schedules. The request for labor for a project can be seen down here. Now, by looking at a schedule, you could easily tell who's been assigned project and who needs to be assigned a project. As you can see, Sean H and So W needs to be assigned a project. For each day, you can tell who has a full 8 hours and who still needs to be filled in for more time. For instance, Brian W has a full 8 hours for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And you can see James T has only 4 hours for each Monday through Friday. Notice underneath James T's schedule, there's a plus sign for each of those days, meaning that they're not scheduled the full 8 hours for that day. So first, let's add some labor for Sean H. There are two ways to do this. You could take a project, drag, and drop it. Or you could press the plus button to add, and then select the project. Then you select the cost code. Then you select the employee. You could stay with one employee, or you could assign multiple employees. So let's assign multiple employees. And here you could easily see the hours for each of these employees for that day. So Sean and So Right has nothing scheduled, so we will check So and Sean. From here, we could select the time that it starts and the number of hours. Here you could add a scope or notes for the person. Then you could add the days. You could leave it as Monday, or if you want to, you could put Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Then scroll down and click on Save. Now you could see that Sean H and So W has been scheduled 8 hours Monday through Friday for this project. Now let's fill up James T's hours for the days. We'll click on here to add, and we want to do Sandlot Stadium. All right, and then we're going to do 4 hours to fill out his 8 hours. Now let's build it in for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Click on Save. So now he has the full 8 hours for that day, for Monday through Friday. So now we also see that there's a request for a Sandlot project for Thursday. We can approve this by clicking on the Sandlot project, and then we could assign it to Brian W. and then we click on approve. As you can see now, the request has moved up to Brian W. Now let's just say we need to also add this to Friday. You can easily put your mouse on the project and expand it. I could expand it to Friday all the way to Saturday to Sunday. But for this project, we just do it to Friday and release the mouse. Requests are made for users that have no access to change the schedules, but they need to assign workers to a project. They make a request so that an authorized user can decide how to handle the request by approving it or not. To request labor is a similar process. You could either go to projects, drag and drop, or use the plus sign. Here you would select the project, the cost code. Here you could select the worker or keep it open. So let's keep it open for now. And select the time, hour of work, a scope or notes, and the days. So let's say Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Once you complete it, click on save. Now you can see that there's a request for the big dig from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You can easily delete a project from a schedule or a request. You just need to click on the project, scroll down, and press delete. Now let's look at the by project view. Here you can see all the projects and the labor that's assigned to them. To add labor to the project, you need to click, drag, and drop. From here you select a cost code. You could select the time, the duration, give it a scope if you'd like to. Scroll down and click on save. And now you could see that Brian Wilson has been added to this project to do work. If you want to request labor for a project, you just need to go to projects, drag and drop to the day that you want this project. So let's say this one starts on Tuesday. Here you select the cost code, and you could select multiple employees to be on this project, or you could keep it open because we don't know who's going to work on this project yet. Select the time, the hour, put in the scope, and select the days. We want this from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Scroll down, click on save. Let's click on by employee to see this. Now you see that you have requests for Smith Home Remodel from Tuesday to Friday. To delete a request or a schedule, you could click on the project and you could check what you want to remove. Click on save. So now if we go by employees, we could see that the request is no longer there. Once you completed your schedule, click on maximize to maximize the screen so that you could project this on a projector or put it on a large screen so everyone can see their schedules. Now let's see what the user on the mobile app sees. On the mobile app, the user can view their schedules by clicking on Schedule. Here they can view individual days by clicking on the top. They can view the project's detail by clicking on the project, giving them information about the project manager, superintendent, and the address. By clicking on the address, they could open Google Maps to give them directions to the site. So when they are ready to clock in, they click on Start. Now you can see the project's already ready for them to select and start their day. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video.